Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by making sure Chrome is ready and your Google account is active. Open Chrome and update it if prompted. This prevents playback and security glitches. Sign into your Google account so YouTube syncs history and subscriptions. Once signed in, optionally enable two-step verification for better protection. Install only trusted extensions. They can improve playback or block ads, but may interfere with video features. Now that prerequisites are set, navigate to YouTube. And let's load a channel or video to start. Once a video loads, learn the playback and quality tools so you control the experience. Use the spacebar or play button to start and stop, drag the seek bar to jump, and open the gear icon to change resolution or speed. Lower quality saves bandwidth, higher quality shows detail. Turn on captions for dialogue or noisy environments, and use annotations/chapters to skip sections. Make playlists, add videos to watch later, and subscribe to channels so Chrome remembers your preferences across devices. To finish, learn advanced output and fixes so you never get stuck. Cast videos to a TV using the cast icon in Chrome. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi and accept connections. For offline viewing, use the mobile apps download feature. Desktop downloads require third-party tools and compliance. If playback fails, clear Chrome's cache and cookies, temporarily disable extensions, and check for Chrome updates. Also confirm DRM settings and your network speed. If that fails, restart Chrome or your device and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.